Hi guys, hi YouTubers, it's Matt Feast. I'll quickly show you the portal I'm using to get my trades daily. I'm using a Icoinpro portal. It's one of a kind. It's very very good. What it does, it finds the dips on crypto trading exchanges. Because at the end of the day, if I did this manually, it's going to take me absolutely hours to find the best coin, to find out where it's dipping and where I can make some profit. Because at the end of the day, this is my technique: it's buy at the dip and sell at the top. And the course we do, I do, is a company called Icoinpro. It teaches you how to do this. But meanwhile, I'm just going to quickly show you about the portal, the Icoinpro portal. Okay. Right. The first thing I need to do is I want to find a trade. Okay. So I'm on the portal here. So I'm going to go to Trade Finder. So go to Trade Finder, and what happens is the system will populate, find the nearest coin to trade. Oh, let's have a look. Here we go. Let me just move up a bit. I'm just going to find the highest return on investment, the highest volume of these coins. So, for example's sake, let's try this ARC paired up with USDT. Okay, right, click on that button there. Charts. All right, let's go to the chart here so I can actually see what's going on. Let's enlarge it a bit. Let's see what's going on. Okay, right. So basically, it's telling me there's average low to the SMA. The SMA is right in the middle here. Okay, right. So it's to the bottom Bollinger Band to the SMA. So it's telling me the percentages of what sort of profit I'll make if I put a trade in. So if I just double check it from there to there, it gives me 1.59%, which is not bad. But imagine if the coin pumped up to the top Bollinger Band, I'll make about 3.65%. Which is not a bad return on investment. That's pretty good. But the beauty about this platform, you can actually see where the dip's happening. Okay, and if I wanted to, if I zoom in, I think I missed a dip anyway, but that's all it's gone right down there. Second dip. In fact, once that comes down to here, to the Bollinger Band, I'll put a trade in. So that's how we're taught now within the Icoinpro platform. It's a free boot camp. You can actually come in and sign up for free. But if I want to go away from my computer, I don't want to be sat on the computer all day watching charts. I can actually put an alert alarm, on my phone, which is pretty good. So, for example, say if I want that coin to dip down there, let me put a alert on, and I'll put that's going to go for the third dip. So what's it? The third dip. So I'm going to put a trade on the third dip. So I'm going to do it every time. So what will happen is if the green comes down to here and hits that Bollinger Band, the low Bollinger Band, I'll wait a little bit and I'll put a trade in. So I can actually, at the end of the day, I don't want to be stuck on my charts all day watching the candles going up and down all day. So at the end of the day, I can be out on the road in my car getting petrol, or going to the DIY shops, or going out with friends, or whatever you do, and it will alert me, and then I can actually trade on my phone. That's the beauty about this system. Okay, and it's got alert built in, which is pretty damn good. But all the information is below my video. If you want to sign up for free and get your free boot camp, and it's well worth it. There is a paid option. You can have a free account, but my advice is, if you're serious about trading and you want to be in control of your own funds, is start being a paid participant. It's very, very affordable. Anyway, any questions, any answers, please reach out to me. My name's Matt Feast. All my information will be below this video. and you can either subscribe to my channel and also give me a thumbs up. Okay, guys. Meanwhile, have a great day. I will be doing other videos regarding the portal and Icoinpro, and I'll be doing that next couple of days. But any questions, any answers, please reach out to me. I'm here to help you. And the great thing about this company here, which I'm promoting, is that you're in control of your own funds, and it's not a third-party business like all these other companies. You put your crypto and they pay you 1 or 2%, and before you know it, 3 or 4 months down the line, they've disappeared. You've lost your money. But with this company here, you are in control with your own funds, and it's teaching you how to trade safely, okay, without losing your shirt, okay. All right, guys, which is a very good thing. Meanwhile, have a great day. Thank you very much for watching the video. I really appreciate it. Thank you.